Hi everyone, Ann Parker here, and today I am going to share my super secret trick for burning belly fat without giving up all of your precious carbs. So I'm talking specifically about how to get in ketosis and experience all the benefits of ketosis without having to count every calorie you're eating, every gram of protein, fat, and carbs that goes into your body. I have a way for you to experience all of the benefits without doing all that stuff. I don't know about you, but I do not like to be strict with what I eat. I travel a lot, I'm on the go a lot. I do not have time to always be bringing a cooler of food with me in order to maintain my healthy lifestyle. So the benefits of ketosis, for those of you that don't know, I'll go over really quickly. So the reason why most people are focused on ketosis is because they want to lose weight and burn belly fat and overall body fat, change your body composition. But there's so many other benefits to ketosis. First and foremost, my favorite is improved brain cognition. So what does that mean? It means that that brain fog that we have some days, or for me, it was every day, that brain fog lifts. Why? Because our bodies traditionally run on glucose, which isn't an efficient fuel source for us. Our bodies want to run on ketones. When we're babies, we're born into ketosis. We are in this perfect innate state where our bodies run perfectly. Well, as we age and as we grow, we start to make different food choices than drinking the really highly fatty milk that our mothers give us, right? So our bodies change over to becoming glucose dependent. Now, how can you tell if you're running on glucose? You probably have these energy ups and downs throughout the day. Around 3 o'clock, you're probably looking for a quick fuel source. You're grabbing some candy or something carby that's going to give you some energy. Well, when you're running on ketones, that doesn't happen. You have this very focused, sustained energy throughout the day, and you're in the optimal fat burning zone. And here's how you can do it without having to be so strict with the keto diet. It's called Keto OS. It's a packet that you mix with water. It's a new supplement, and not a lot of people are talking about it. I did a ton of research on it, and it is safe for absolutely everyone, even kids to consume. Now remember, we are born into ketosis. That's how we come out of the womb. Ketosis is our preferred state of our bodies, and when you get there, you're going to feel incredible. Well, as a personal trainer for 25 years, I have found that a lot of times I can get people to follow an eating plan and a strategy for a couple of months. They'll lose the fat, they'll feel amazing, but then life happens and we go back on the same track as we were before. It's sad but true, right? So if you've been there, you know what I'm talking about. We've all been there. So this is the only thing that I have ever found that has enabled my clients to stick with a meal plan, an eating plan, and healthy way of eating without having to be really strict about it and without having cravings. So one of the crazy, amazing benefits of ketosis is that you lose cravings. You won't have those cravings for sugar anymore. Your body doesn't want it because you're back in your innate state. You won't be craving carbs anymore. And it's not to say that it's not going to happen. There's some things that happen, but traditionally day to day, what I've experienced with the thousands of people that I've helped with my meal plan in these packets is that your cravings go away. It's easy for you to stay on this plan. It improves your workouts. It preserves muscle, okay? So your muscle is preserved. In a traditional kind of low restrictive calorie meal plan, which I have taught over the years as a personal trainer, our bodies burn our precious muscle. We want to save our muscle. Our muscle burns fat. So being in ketosis preserves that muscle. So why would you want to try this? Well, maybe you've hit a plateau. Maybe you're completely stuck and don't know where to start. Maybe you've tried the keto diet and found it too restrictive. Maybe you're looking for a fast, efficient fuel source to keep your energy up throughout the day so you can run around and do all the things that you have. Maybe you want to improve your sleep. Maybe your brain function is declining a little bit, which I was noticing because when I was running on glucose, my brain function wasn't great. Now I can sit down at my computer and do an hour of focused work while I'm drinking my ketones. So how do I recommend that you drink these? So first of all, you can get these through me. I will coach you and help you with this super simple meal plan, okay? But how do you want to drink it? I have everyone start by drinking them in the morning. Okay, so what we do is we stop eating after dinner. We practice intermittent fasting because that helps your bodies create more of its own ketones. Okay, so you want to drink ketones and you want to produce your own ketones. But you want to stop after dinner, and then as soon as you start to get hungry in the morning, drink this with about 24 ounces of water over the course of an hour. So most of my clients and myself, we drink it around 9 o'clock, okay? Then we're in ketosis within an hour, okay? Ketosis, feeling amazing, focused, kicking butt until lunch. Now we're hungry. All right, so now we have a low carb, high fat lunch, something really delicious and satisfying and simple. Then you cruise through the afternoon, have a little snack, have a little dinner, and then start all over, okay? So what happens over the course of 10 days? Traditionally, and this is average results, okay? There's people who have gone way above this, but you'll lose about 3 to 5 inches in your belly, and that's about 1 pant size. So the reason why it makes me so excited is because now I have a way to get people to see quick results. And what that means is that you'll stick with it. If you're seeing results, you're going to stick with it. You're going to feel amazing. You're not going to have any cravings. Your energy is going to be great, and you're going to be preserving all of your muscle, okay? Now, what's in here, it's a salt called BHB. It's a patented formula. Only Prove It makes this. And it creates exogenous ketones in your body. So your body creates exogenous ketones yourself, okay? So in your fasted state, when we practice intermittent fasting, you're creating ketones. Well, your body, when you drink this formula, the patented formula, your body doesn't know whether you're drinking them or making them. Your body sees it as the same. So it's called bioidentical ketones. That's why this is so brilliant. That's why this is helping so many people. I would love to help you with this. Just click the link below and I'll take you to my website, and you can see where you can purchase your 10-day experience pack with my meal plan plus my coaching. So I will help you through all of this. I will get you over the hump. You will get to a place where you're feeling amazing. So if you have any questions, comment below, but you'll see that link there where you can learn more about my 10-day experience and my coaching group and my meal plan. So thanks for watching, guys. I'm glad I could open up your eyes to Keto OS, and I'm here if you have any questions.